Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? So today I am going to do a review on a product that is not new to you guys, but it's new to me. What I'm talking about is, I said in previous videos that I will be trying out some more foundations to see what really I love and what I don't love, and coverage. So today I went and I got me some Bobbi Brown. Yes, I wanted to try this foundation for so long. Everybody's talking about how Bobbi Brown is good, and I was like, I gotta see what Bobbi Brown is. So as you guys know, I normally go and get a sample prior to buying a really large size. So that's what this is, a sample of the Bobbi Brown, and this is in mocha. I don't know how that is gonna look on me, but anyway, we'll get to see this together. So I already did my eyes and I'm about to just do the foundation. That's all the video is about, is the coverage of the foundation and how it look. So if you want to see that, just stay tuned. So I already have my sponges clean, guys. Yes, wash and clean. So I'm not going to talk all the way through this video. I'm just going to run through and do the foundation. And at the end, I'll come back and tell you if I love the coverage and what the problem was. Okay? So stay tuned. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Anyway, so this is my review on this product. The coverage is good. Come on, this brand has been around forever, way before my time. The coverage is good, but as you see, it was not my right shade and I had to fix it some way, somehow. I used a Fenty to go in and correct it. It was just too red for my complexion. Because I have some yellowness and I have some redness. Not so much redness, but more yellow. And it's really hard to get my right shade unless I mix. Unless, you know, Juvia's Place and those places and, you know, Lancone's, those companies has really, you know, hit the shade market really well. So the coverage is good. I will purchase it again, but I would get some more samples to figure out what is my right shade, because I'm not going to buy such an expensive foundation and bought two just to get my right shade. I'm not going to be doing too much mixing. I just think there are so many foundation out there that you don't have to mix. You just have to find your right shade. So yes, I love the coverage. I am happy that I was able to fix it because I'm not taking this makeup off. If you guys already know, I am going to church. So yeah, I was happy I was able to fix it. But yeah, I love it. Not crazy, but I love it. When I find my right shade, I may be crazy over it. But that's all I have, guys. Foundation application was good. Blend out very well. Love it. What more can you say? Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Leave a comment below if you have tried this foundation. And if you're 430 in Lancome, just tell me another shade that I could try. Anyway, share these videos. Subscribe. Communicate with me, guys. Communicate, which means leave a comment. Right? Yeah, leave a comment. Anyway, God bless y'all and bye-bye.